Welcome. I'm Kathy B, and I am the dream coach, dream maker, an entertainer, speaker, and I wear a lot of hats. Well, welcome to Do the Dream Team.
If you're here, you're ready to build your dream, grow your voice, and join a community that truly cares. We built this because too many creators feel stuck, alone, or unsupported. But people helping people changes everything. Here, we do more than just talk about dreaming. We do the dream together. Over 50? Doesn't matter. Just want to make an impact? Perfect. Want income streams? We've got you. When you join the Do the Dream team, you'll get step-by-step strategies to grow your platform and monetize your message. Live Q&A calls plus video answers to your questions. A vibrant community of like-minded creators, uplifting, collaborating, celebrating. So, are you ready? Click the Join button. Introduce yourself in the community.
Be a part of the conversation that you'll see that's happening in the community. This is the way that you can grow and we can get to know, like, and trust you. So welcome.